M100 Air Compressor, the new range of easy-to-use air compressors to maintain optimum tire pressure. Connect the power end to the 12-volt cigarette lighter. Connect the metallic end and tighten it to the tire. Now switch on the power and you can see the air compressor start working. You can see the needle moving upward. And when it reaches the optimum tire pressure, you can switch off the air compressor. And during night time, you can use this LED light as well. The new range of easy-to-use air compressors to maintain optimum tire pressure.